How is everybody? I hope you all are well, like I am. This afternoon, we are making a vegan, vegetarian light soup, and we are using dry peas. We Caribbean people call it gongo peas, and this is my husband's favorite peas. He wants to eat it every day, guys. All right. So today I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to put into my peas. I already busted my peas. It's on the stove and it's just on low fire boiling, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. But I have all the stuff that I'm going to be putting in here, and some of these things are from my garden that I grow this year, so it's all organic and yummy and I can't wait to eat them. So first, let me show you what's on the counter, what's going to go in the soup. So right here I have some fresh celery. I have a turnip from the garden, coconut, a couple of potatoes, a beautiful pumpkin that I grow this year. I have some green banana, celery, the same celery. I have 2 carrots, some sweet potatoes, and some onions. This is my oil, which I'm going to use to peel my banana because it's going to stay in my hands if I don't put oil on it. Also, right here, I have some vegan meat, which I'm going to put. It's like a vegan burger meat. And this is what it looks like. It comes from Walmart, and you can get meatless burger. And that's what's going to go in as my meat. And in here, I have my peas. And as you can see, I have some fresh thyme from the garden that I have inside of it. And my peas is ready. It's soft and it's ready. And I have some fermented garlic in there. Fermented garlic. And I can smell the aroma. It's just really amazing. So it's all good. As you can see, the peas is all swollen and busted. So it's ready for the veggies. The next thing we're going to do is break this coconut and blend it up and get the milk out of it.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. What's getting harder to ignore? Yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending.
So guys, I'm kind of disappointed. I cracked my coconut, but it's not good. So I have to resort to using a can of coconut milk, which I did not want to do, but I have no choice. So this coconut, as you can see, it's mildew on the inside, and so it's gonna just go to the chickens.
Can I see?
There, it's all mildew on the inside. See, it's not good.
magical. Pretending that nobody knows. Trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical.
So my friends, my pot is on the stove boiling, and when you're making this vegetable soup, you need to allow your vegetables to boil for at least 15 minutes before you add any seasoning in. And by doing this, it makes the flavor more intense. Don't put everything together, all right? That's something I was taught by my grandmother, okay, when I'm cooking this kind of food. So you want that to start cooking. The only thing you're going to be putting in there is a tiny bit of butter or salt and a tiny, like a teaspoon of sugar. That's it. So after you put that and it's done boiling, I'm going to show you what's the next thing I'm going to be putting in. So the next things that's going to be going in after this boiled 15 minutes is going to be 2 bay leaf, some curry powder, some garlic seasoning, some paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, and a tin of coconut milk. So this is all that's going to be going next into our light soup. And I think I'm going to also add some tiny dumplings. So yeah, I'm going to put some tiny dumplings, and that's going to be it. So yeah, my soup is boiling, and once it's finished cooking, I can't wait to eat it, right? So I think the next time you see me, I'll be putting dumpling in the pot, and then it's gonna be time to eat. Oh yeah, I gotta put the tofu meat in there. So the tofu burger meat is gonna go in last, and it's gonna cook for 5 minutes just to add some extra flavor. So yeah, that's gonna go in lastly. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue cooking.
Remember when we went to Hollywood? We did stuff that we never thought we would. Backstage parties, drinks and limousines, yeah. I told you that I loved you, then you said that you love me. Let's not put a label on it, 'cause you call it what you want. Yeah, you call it what you want. A lot of good things that are coming, so let's call it what we want. Yeah, we call it what we want. Friends at the bar, late night walks and smokes on balconies. Told you that I loved you, then you said that you love me. Let's not put a label on it, 'cause you call it what you want. Yeah, we call it what we want. We only get better. We only get better. Even when we're slipping up, we only get better. We only get better. We only get better.
going to share myself a delicious plate of food because my food is ready. Yes, guys, let's eat. First, let's put this in. Here is my food. It's ready and it looks so delicious. Let's eat.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talk.
Let me tell you all, guys, this food is sweet. Oh, it's sweet. Oh, it's sweet. Oh. It's really hot, but it's just right. It just brings back memory of back home when we cook this on open fire, or outside kitchen. All this is missing is the smoke flavor, but otherwise it's very good. So guys, I wish you could come and eat with me, wherever you are, eat with me. So thanks for watching, and as always, remember you're beautiful, think positive thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.